Welcome back, guys, to another video. In this video, we'll see how do we read a text document using document loaders in LangChain. Okay, so yeah, so if you want to know more or see more and get more information about this document loader, you can visit this link which I have pasted here. So let's start coding. So this is the text document which we are going to read using document loaders. So yeah, I'll just check if the recording is on. Yes, the recording. So let's we have to first install this library which is LangChain community. Okay, I've already installed it because it takes time. So from LangChain we have to import document loaders. Document loaders. Okay. So let's try. Yeah, it's running. So in this we have to initialize this inside document loaders. We have to load text loader because we are reading a text document here. Just write it reading text document and oh sorry, so we have to inside document loaders we have to call text loader. Yeah, text loader, and then we have to specify the path here. So the path can you can right click and get the path here. Okay, and then you have to write dot load and then you print loader. Okay, so as you can see, we this is the page content, like this is the actual data, and inside that we are getting a metadata like the file path. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you read a text file using text loader in LangChain. Thank you. For more such videos, like, share, subscribe.